What is good, YouTube? It is your boy JTD or Jaheem the Dream, whatever you want to call me. I'm coming back to y'all with another brand new video for y'all today, man. Today's video, if you did not read the title, and if you did not read the title, I love you. But today's video, we are doing a Would You Cop? I did this previously before, and you know, I wanted to bring it back, but just like some new, you know, I'm gonna be talking about like stuff like sneaker, streetwear, and sneaker rumors, streetwear rumors, all that stuff. But without further ado, before we get into the video though, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you are new to join the Dream Team, and let's get into the video, man. Alright, since it's Wednesday and like there already been like a couple of shoes that dropped, I'm gonna talk about the shoes that dropped earlier before. So we had the Nike Up Tempo, the Scottie Pippens, dropped on the 23rd, so yesterday. It's alright. I've never really been a fan of the up tempos, maybe back then, but it's just like, it's nothing really like new. There's nothing like really like, you can't really do anything like crazy on it. But I give it like a 5.5 out of 10. No, I can't even cap. Give it a 5.5 out of 10. The LeBron 17 graffitis dropped on the 23rd also. I don't know why, but it actually is a good shoe. I actually F with it. Would I use it as a lifestyle shoe? I wouldn't really use it as a lifestyle shoe, but like as like a playing and ball type shoe, like I'll actually use it because I actually like it. I like how it looks. It actually looks fire because it's like, it's something different, like red and black with like a graffiti midsole. Actually fire. I'll give it like a 7 out of 10. Give it a 7 out of 10. Shoe that's dropping today, actually. By the time you see this, already dropped, so yeah, I already know I have an L on it. It's the Nike Dunk Low SP Champs color. That joint's an 8 out of 10. That joint's fire, but like, I already know I got an L because one, it's sneakers. Fuck sneakers. And another thing, it's a Dunk Low. So anything that has dunks in the name is going to sell out. It's literally gonna sell out, so I just know I'm not gonna get it. But the shoe is an 8 out of 10, man. 8 out of 10. Let's get on to the next shoe, man. Next was dropping tomorrow on Thursday, June 25th. It will be the Nike Air Foamposite Pro USA. To be honest with you, if I was in middle school, maybe I would have copped those, but like the way that they're doing the Foamposites, bro, they're dead. I don't like the Foamposites. They're just not really calling me. But for this colorway, I'll give it like a 5 out of 10. It's just mid. It's just mid. It's like a half. It's mid. It's mid. It really is mid. The shoe that's dropping Friday the 26th is the Nike Air Max 90 SP Orange Camo. It was actually fire. I'm not even gonna lie. With a price of $140, I might have to go for it. But everybody knows I have the worst sneaker luck. It doesn't matter if you gave me a bot. It doesn't matter if you give me anything. But these shoes is hard. I'm gonna give it like a 7.5 out of 10. It was just hard. It's kind of something new. I like always like loud stuff, like cool stuff, and that's actually type hard. I might go for it. 7.5 out of 10, man. Another shoe that's dropping on the Friday the 26th is the Nike LeBron 7 MVPs. These are actually hard. It's at a total of $200. It's like a gold, gray, and white with a red midsole and outsole. It's kind of speaking to me. I kind of like it. I kind of really do like it. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Would I cop? No. I'm really mainly just going for the 8s, 9s, 10s, 11s, 3s, and 4s, and the 2s, but not really the 7s. I'm really not a fan of the 7s, but I'll still give it like a 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10. Another shoe that we have dropping on the 27th, we got the Nike LeBron 17 Courage. Those is hard. I like the sprinkles of the red on the 17s with like the full body black and like the gold Nike sign, Nike check, whatever you want to call it. It looks good. I like it. It's at a total of 225. LeBron tried to catch me. No cap. LeBron tried to catch me. It's a good shoe, but for 225, I don't know, man. I don't know. But overall, the shoe's like a 7 out of 10, though. I'm not even gonna lie to you. 7 out of 10. Another shoe. This is on Sneaker News, so I'm really just going by Sneaker News. They said that on the 27th of June, there'll be an Atmos and Shaw Witherspoon A6 Gel Light 3. And they'll be dropping. This, I don't know how to explain it, but these shoes are fire. Definitely going for those. Couldn't get the Air Max 97s of the Sean Witherspoons, so I'm definitely gonna try to go for these. These are just hard. I'm not even gonna lie. It's a 9 out of 10. I just like the two colorways on the shoes, and like that red, purple, and like the navy blue. It joins hard on the left, and on the right, the yellow and like blue and orange, and like the teal blue in the back on the heel. That joint's just hard. This shoe is just a 9 out of 10. I'm not even gonna lie to you. 9 out of 10. Now I want to talk about a rumored shoe that's supposed to be coming out next year, February 13th, 2021. On the screen, it is the CARMINE 6s. Oh my gosh. I'm waiting for the CARMINE 6s, man. I don't know why, every shoe that I click on, it's starting to get re-released. So I'm just going to keep on trying to click on the Thunder 4s for hoping those to release again. But we got the CARMINE 6s, and most likely it's going to have a Nike on the back. There's going to be a Nike on the back. If you're trying to get these, don't sleep on them, because it's gonna sell out. But the CARMINE 6s, man, they're rumored to be dropping on February 13th, 2021, and they'll be at a total of 225. So that's gonna be a little bit hefty out of the pockets. But I mean, it's worth it. It's worth it though. Now I'd like to jump into the streetwear segment of the video. So right now there's gonna be a Dragon Ball Z X BAPE collab. It should be dropping on the 27th. I'm excited, bro. I am excited. The pieces that they got there is just amazing, man. I'm just loving it, bro. I'm a big fan of anime, especially Dragon Ball Z, because I've been watching that since like a little kid, bro. Like, I've been watching like Dragon Ball Z since a little kid, so I was like, I had to get it, because all the other releases I was never ever able to get. Like the t-shirts that I'm gonna get is the shirts I'll be going for is the Gohan where he's like powering up to Super Saiyan 3 or Super Saiyan 2, and the one with Gohan and Goku on one t-shirt. I'll be going for that one, hoping I can get it, because last time I was on a BAPE drop, I got uppercutted. I'm not even gonna lie to you. And I'm gonna be going for the one with the perfect cell and the whole group: Vegeta, Gohan, Trunks, and Goku. So that would be the main drop I'll go. This whole set is fire. I'm most likely gonna go for most on resale, because I'm not gonna be able to try to go for all of them, but I'm gonna try to go for those. And yeah, let's move on to the Supreme drop. The Ziploc bags will be dropping. Would I be going for it? Yes, I'll go for it. I already know it's gonna be a fat L to the face. But it's gonna be a fat L to the face. Because all I just know is me and Supreme really just don't mix. The bandana box logo, it was a bad memory. But yeah, they have a t-shirt. Supreme has a t-shirt that's also coming out. It's Supreme Lee Bowery t-shirt. It's actually I actually like it. It's something different. Would I cop it? Most likely not. I haven't really been copying Supreme. Not even gonna lie. Most likely just gonna go for the BAPE drop. They have a sweatshirt. Most likely not gonna go for the sweatshirt. Most likely not gonna go for the sweatshirt. And they have another airbrush sweatshirt. Supreme also has another airbrush sweatshirt. Would I be going for that one? Most likely not. And Supreme also has another airbrush shirt. Would I be going for that one? Most likely not. So the one thing that I'm here for is a Ziploc bag and the boxers. And maybe even the socks. Well, this is all the news I wanted to talk about and the would you cop. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you are new to the channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.